What is up, YouTube? I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys a product that I sourced here in my home city of El Paso, Texas. I found 18 of this product at a store that sells Amazon liquidation. I sold the products merchant fulfilled on Amazon. They all sold within a few hours, and I profited about $780 just from a few hours of work. And I wanted to show you guys just this quick video of the fees involved and just showing you my profit. If you like videos like this, please like, subscribe, and if you have a comment about anything selling wise, reselling wise, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. And thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Nugenix. And they're not expired. They expire next year in July, the 22nd, all of them. $43.50 a box times 18. It was like $780 profit. I've already sold 4. That's how you do it, guys. Hustle, be blessed, and keep working hard.